everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Noah, and behind me is a Lamborghini Urus versus the Urus she tells you not to worry about. The Lamborghini Urus, which are both Lamborghini Urus S's, except that this one is a 2024. And I'm very glad to have both of them here because this way we get to see what it looks like before and after they get that beautiful Wheelsboutique touch. But you have seen this exact same build before as far as the wide body package we will get to in a minute. You have seen it on the all white Urus with the S2 XOs, also in paint match gloss white. You have also seen it in what we like to call the big yellow bird in the Anarchy's AN30s. Those are done in gloss black with matching yellow lips. However, this one features something that we haven't done before, but a little bit more on that later. I think that to start, we should start here in what you get from Sant'Agata Bolognese, Italy. It's a twin turbocharged 4.0 liter V8 pushing about 641 horsepower and 626 pound-feet of torque. And it's good for a 0 to 60 in about 3.2 seconds. But what really tends to almost leave us scratching our heads over here at Wheelsboutique is that Lamborghini calls this a super SUV. We went to our trusted source over on Reddit, and a supercar needs to have anywhere between 500 and 900 horsepower and a 0 to 60 of roughly 3 seconds. And I can confirm that this right here is a super SUV. Let me show you what I mean. Starting off with the Novitec Esteso wide body package that adds a total of 10 millimeters in the front and 12 millimeters in the back, which includes this brand new redesigned front lip that connects here with the arching fenders. Then you get the two side panels over on the side, followed by these beautiful arches with these super nice vents, and then finishes off with the brand new rear. And while we're here, actually, the Novitec exhaust tips that are squared off is just a little bit of what you can see coming from Novitec. Novitec offers a beautiful exhaust system for this car with several different options, starting off with a cat bypass or a high flow cat. Then it moves on to the X pipe or a Y pipe. You can let me know which one you think it's better down in the comment section below. And then it finishes off with a power optimized with or without flap regulation exhaust system. And finally, you have those nice black square tips that we were talking about just before. Apart from the entire wide body kit and the exhaust system, this car has this beautifully Lamborghini inspired Novitec hood. This is completely made out of carbon fiber with this nice ombre. As you can see, it goes from black to carbon fiber. Looks absolutely phenomenal. And once you look at this, you start to realize that there's something missing to that one. The most outrageous version of this exhaust system from Novitec is a Stage 3, and that pushes this car to 789 horses and 720 plus pound-feet of torque, confidently pushing it at 0 to 60 in just 3 seconds. Finally, this is the first time that we have ever done this, and you are looking at Anarchy's RS 5.3s. You might have seen this wheel on that Grigio SF90 with, I believe it's a brush face with polished lips. But this is the first 24-inch. And due to the wide body, we can actually fit more wheel in the exact same hole. You're looking at two 95s in the front with 355s in the rear, which means that this wheel back here with this max concavity is actually a 24 by 12 and a half, which is just absolutely massive. Satin black centers with polished lips. And finally is this right here that is brand new, and this is almost like a 5-lug cover, giving the Lamborghini Urus a center lock look. And pretty much, there you have it. The Wheelsboutique signature fitment for the 2024 Urus. But time to let us know what you think. Let us know down in the comment section below. As always, a like rating is always appreciated. Smash the subscribe button. My name is Noah, and from all of us here at Wheelsboutique, I thank you for watching. Cheers.